Hello everybody, welcome aboard my channel and on to a new vlog. Finally, I'm going to shoot an aviation vlog and I'm super duper excited because guess what? मुझे पता है ये vlog थोड़ा abruptly start हो रहा है. I'm already in uniform. You must be thinking कि क्या चल रहा है. So the thing is, today is the day I'm going to do my last flying on a single engine aircraft. Yes, it is my last flight on the Cessna 172 and I am so damn excited, emotional. There are so much mixed emotions going through my head right now because literally after this I will probably not fly a single engine aircraft solo, and I thought why not vlog my experience and share it with all of you. Bags are packed, headphone and everything is ready. I'll have to report in like 10 minutes, so let's get going. आज के टाइम पे सबसे ज़्यादा important है mask. The mask is ready. I really can't express in words what kind of a, nostalgic feeling is this. Really, I still remember my first flight over here, and today I'm going for my last flight. Bro, आखिरी single engine यार. Seriously, I'm super excited. मतलब भाई क्यूबे क्या होटल पे लगेगा? अभी शारिक सर का कॉल आया. चल मिलते हैं bro, you'll be there no? Okay. चलो bye bye. Thank you. Alright, so now I'm here in the dispatch room. You guys have seen this room in previous of my vlogs. I couldn't shoot in the ops room because there are a lot of instructors there. Anyways, the update is मेरे को hotel या Quebec was the aircraft I got solo in science. उस aircraft में मुझे last flight करना था. That aircraft does not have hours at the moment and hotel is not released. So the bad news, a little bit bad news is मैं Quebec या hotel इन दोनों aircraft में नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ मेरा आखिरी flight. I'm doing it in Zulu. Zulu was the aircraft I took for my 300 cross country as well. That vlog will also be up very soon. But anyways, I'm taking Zulu and I'm filling my last ever single engine dispatch. After filling the dispatch form, we have to go and submit this to the ATC. Hello, going for my last flight, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Just So that is the aircraft that I'm taking. Victor Tango Charlie Alpha Zulu. Cockpit checks, everything is complete. Checklist का काफी खराब हालत है. अभी external checks. Canada Victor Tango Charlie Alpha Zulu. Very good afternoon. How do you read? Request startup for circuit and landing. POB 01 in command training Akash Avila. Endurance on board would be 0530. Flight time would be 0030. Victor Alpha Zulu. Prop clear. Engine master is on. Fuel pump on. Oh my god, the final switch off. हाँ जी भैया, मेरी आखिरी फ्लाइट थी सिंगल पे. हाय बोल दो भैया, वीडियो बना रहा हूँ मैं. So they're taking the aircraft for the fuel station. These guys really work very hard, all of them. And done with my last flight on single. The Cessna 172 will be missed so much. I mean, I really can't express how much I'm in love with this aircraft. I mean, I really can't express in words how emotional I am right now. And it gave me flashback of the first time that I flew this aircraft. I got my first solo Alchemist Aviation Academy, and today was my last flight. Yeah, it is very nerve-wracking and very... I'm seriously telling you, it's been a long journey. Yeah, but the silver lining is I'm done with single engine flying. Time to fly the multi. I'm excited for that as well. Finally in the operations room, putting that last sign in the authorization book. I can't show you rest of the things, but this is literally my last signature on single engine flying. And I flew for 30 minutes and did 2 landings. I'll just quickly go and meet everyone at the ATC. Done. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So finally done with all the formalities. Taken my bags. Met my instructors. And single engine flying is over. Single engine over. क्यों कूटे जाऊंगा सर? कुछ बताना चाहते हो सर आप? अरे सिंगल इंजन फ्लाइंग खत्म हुआ, कुछ तो बताओ। स्टूडेंट से पूछूं? सर मिल गया स्टूडेंट पूछने के लिए। कैप्टन साहब खत्म सर कर दिया। थैंक यू। जरा व्लॉग में उसका ट्रेडिशन दिखाओ सिंगल इंजन का। नहीं, आपको कूटना क्यों है? ये हमारे इंस्ट्रक्टर है और ये हमारे कैप्टन साहब है, जिनका अभी 2 दिन पहले सीपीएल हुआ है। Ex-student, captain and an instructor. I will put your Instagram as well. अभी इधर कहीं आ रहा होगा, इधर hit him up. क्या खा रहा है? क्या खा रहा है भाई? कॉर्नफ्लेक्स। हाँ भाई, कंटेंट चाहिए भाई। नहीं अरे एक्चुअली मैंने सर को पूछा था कि मुझे 15 मिनट करना है, ठीक है 15 मिनट हो जाए, लेकिन 15 मिनट करना अलाउड नहीं था, तो आधा घंटा किया। नहीं है आजरा मींस मनी। ये कट जाएगा, ये एडिट में कट जाएगा, ये वाला पार्ट ये नहीं आएगा व्लॉग में। बाय द वे दैट इज माय फ्रेंड शिवम हियर। सब बढ़िया कर देना, लाइक शेयर सब। Hell of an evening for sure, but one of the craziest evenings I have had. Please avoid the mess. मेरा रूम काफ़ी मेसी हो रखा है, ये स्पेशली ये टेबल। But done with single engine flying. Now time to fly the multi. But उसके पहले कुछ ज़रूरी बातें I thought I'll share in this vlog. Okay, since the time I started flying solo, my first solo aircraft was Victor Tango Echo Bravo. I still remember, I have a video about it, about my first solo day. It will be up here, go check that out. Yeah, so since that day, for any trainee pilot for that matter, यही सपना होता है कि एक दिन single engine flying ख़त्म होगा, then you'll shift, you'll transition to a multi-engine aircraft. So you will fly 15 hours on a multi-engine aircraft and then you'll get your CPL. So I had the very similar plan, and over the course of time I realized that things are not that easy. It takes a lot of dedication, a lot of hard work and lots of patience for you to sustain in this profession. But 3 flying clubs later, finally in Chimes Aviation Academy, I completed my single engine flying today. That being said, that is all the emotional thing, but the good thing is now what stays ahead of me is multi-engine flying, and I'm super excited to fly the Diamond DA-42, which is there in Chimes Aviation Academy. That is the aircraft we all train on. Yeah, so 15 hours of flying and I'm done with CPL. That was about it from my side in this particular video. If you liked the video, do let me know in the comment section, your valuable comments, and if one of you is also training to be a pilot, how much eager are you to complete your single engine flying and then transition to a multi-engine aircraft, or maybe you are planning to complete your entire single engine, entire CPL on a single engine aircraft. Just let me know in the comment section, I would love to read them. On that note, this is Captain Sky signing off. Bye bye.